Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Parallax Image section. The Parallax Image section lets you create a visually engaging scrolling effect using images or videos that move at a different speed than the page. This helps you build depth, highlight key messages, and make your storefront feel more dynamic and modern. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Parallax Image section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Parallax Image section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Parallax Image section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Parallax Image and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Parallax Image section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the Parallax Image section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Upload a mobile-specific image or select an image optimized for mobile devices to ensure a perfect visual fit on smaller screens. Upload a desktop-specific image or select an image designed for desktop displays to maintain high-quality visuals on larger screens. Upload a mobile-optimized video or select a video designed for mobile devices to ensure smooth playback and proper display on smaller screens. Upload a desktop-specific video or select a video optimized for desktop displays to maintain quality and fit larger screens effectively. Choose an overlay color for your image or video section to enhance visibility, add style, or create a visual effect. Adjust the transparency of the overlay color. The maximum value is 100%, which creates a fully solid overlay. Apply a blur effect to the image or video overlay. The maximum value is 20 pixels, creating a softer visual appearance. Enable this option to add visible borders to the top and bottom of the section, improving separation and visual structure. Select the direction in which the parallax image or video moves to create a dynamic scrolling effect. Up moves upward as the user scrolls. Right moves to the right as the user scrolls. Down moves downward as the user scrolls. Left moves to the left as the user scrolls. Up left moves diagonally upward and to the left. Upright moves diagonally upward and to the right. Down left moves diagonally downward and to the left. Down right moves diagonally downward and to the right. Adjust the zoom level of the parallax image or video to create a dynamic effect. 1. Original size, no scaling. 1.1 to 4. Gradually increases the scale to create a zoom-in effect, with 4 being the maximum zoom level. Set the height of the parallax section for desktop screens. Small applies a compact height. Medium sets a balanced moderate height. Large applies a taller height for greater visual impact. Custom. By selecting Custom, you can customize the desktop height between 400 pixels and 2000 pixels. Set the height of the parallax section for mobile devices. Small applies a compact height for mobile screens. Medium sets a balanced, moderate height. Large applies a taller height for greater visual impact. Custom. By selecting Custom, you can customize the mobile height between 200 pixels and 1500 pixels. Set a custom maximum width for the content area. Leave this field empty to use the theme's default container width. Match the parallax image section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. And that's it. Your Parallax Image section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.